Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing release order because it preserves character growth and surprises. Begin with Dragon Ball, the original series. Once done, move straight into Dragon Ball Z to follow the escalating stakes and power scaling. Make sure to skip standalone movies until after sagas, unless you want filler. They often alter continuity. If streaming lacks episodes, use official Blu-ray or complete digital collections. This approach shows cause and effect in the story, so you understand motivations, and power jumps naturally. Once you've reached Dragon Ball Z, organize viewing by saga to keep momentum and context. Saiyan, Frieza, Cell, then Buu. This prevents tonal whiplash and clarifies long arcs, so you see how battles escalate and strategies evolve. If you plan to include Dragon Ball Super, watch it after Z for modern continuity. GT is optional and non-canonical to many fans. Make sure to insert movies after the related saga for better understanding, because they often reference recent events or characters. To finish, watch Dragon Ball Super or GT last according to your chosen continuity, and include specials and OVAs where they fit chronologically. Once done, do a quick pass on finales and character epilogues to close arcs. If episodes feel repetitive or you lose interest, check an episode guide to skip filler and recaps. That saves time and keeps pacing tight. If continuity confuses you, rewatch pivotal episodes or consult a compact timeline. That usually clears contradictions fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.